Hi everyone, welcome back. This is going to be our third video in our series of connecting with nature, and the word we're going to think about this week is growing. Okay, it is so important that we make sure that we as people continue to grow. Now, over the last few weeks when I've been out on my walks, even in my garden, I have seen signs of things starting to grow, new beginnings, lots of little plants and little flowers and snowdrops and things popping up all over my garden, and it is wonderful to see. And it just reminded me of a verse in the Bible which is in the first book in the Bible called Genesis, chapter 1, verse 12. That verse talks about how God made the land to produce vegetables, to produce seeds that grew into plants that produced fruit, all according to their kinds, and everything that God made was really good. And we see today that when you plant a seed in the ground, if you give it the right things and the sunshine and water, then it will grow. And it will grow, they will grow into all sorts of things. Different seeds produce different plants or vegetables or fruit and flowers, and it is fantastic to see. So this week I want us to think about growing. And what I want you to do is think about, are we growing as people? Because part of looking after our well-being is making sure that we grow. Okay, we grow in our character, we grow in our personalities, that we don't give up. Okay, it's really important that when we make mistakes, because we all will, every single person makes mistakes. But then mistakes, that doesn't matter. You have to learn from them. Sometimes you might try something new and you can't do it first time. And that is where you see, have you got in your mind a growth mindset that goes, okay, I couldn't do that, but you know what? I'm going to try again. I'm going to have another go. I've just learned a way that I can't do it, but I'm going to try and figure out a way that I can do it. Or when you fail at something, do you go, oh, well, I'm not going to try it again, and your head goes down? You will know which side of that personality you are on, but it is important that if you're on that side that suddenly feels so disheartened when you can't do something, you need to try and change your mindset into going, okay, it's okay to make mistakes, let's have another go. Let's try again, because that's the way we all learn. And that will help you with your well-being to have a positive mental attitude towards the things that you try. That can be from the things you try at school, to new sports you try, to new instruments you try to learn. It can be absolutely anything. It's really important to be resilient, to keep on growing and to not give up. So this week, to help you and to remind you of that, what you are going to be making is some funny cress head faces. And at the end of this video there is going to be some pictures of the cress heads that I've made with my children, and also a link to Jamie Oliver's website where he has got step-by-step instructions of how to make the cress heads, and they are so easy to do. You can use the things that you have got in your house, yogurt pots, pens, paper, cotton wool, and the only thing you will need to buy are cress seeds. So, I hope that you enjoy making your funny cress head faces at home or at school if you're at school, and that you continue to think about growing and looking after your well-being, and knowing that as a Christian, I believe that God wants us to grow. He wants us to move forward. He wants us to become the best people that we can be, and that we have to have that mindset of going, I will continue to try, I won't give up. And it's really important that as you do them cress heads, you think about those things and you look at how you can move forward and how you can grow as a person, and that you bring people along on your journey with you. Encourage one another, have a fantastic week, have great fun making those cress heads, and keep growing. See you later. Bye.